Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so on this website you can actually make up to $1,600 by just performing one task. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this easily. Okay, it's very easy to do, although it's kind of something that looks like a challenge that a lot of people has to submit their own job, and finally just few people are going to be taken. But with this system I'm going to be showing you right here, you can actually make up to $1,600 on this website just by doing simple tasks. Okay, so this task is just like providing a solution to somebody's else problem, like providing a solution to company's problem. Okay, just sharing your idea about how a business can work or about how a company can grow. Okay, so right here, if this is beginning to sound like something you are interested in, something you're going to like, or something you find value from, I would say you should hit that like button right now. Just hit that like button, go on the comment section below, comment I want to make money online. Okay, so just drop that on the comment section, I want to make money online. Okay, and if you're new on this channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button right now. Just hit on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you get notified by YouTube and you can just watch the video and implement whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so before I show you how you can sign up on this website, I will just show you how you can make this thing work and how you can make the money for yourself. Okay, so the sign up process is going to be the last thing I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, so the name of this website is mindsumo.com. I don't know, you must have, or you might have heard about this website already or from somewhere else, but I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so there are lots of videos about this website online. This website is actually legit. Okay, so there are lots of people who have made money from this platform. Okay, so once you're able to sign up on this website, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, so right here what you want to do is you're just going to click on I'm a problem solver. Okay, so what you do basically on this platform is you solve people's problem. Okay, companies and individual business owners, they come on this website and lay complain about their business or the kind of ideas they need to grow their business. Okay, so if it sounds like something you can just easily do, you're going to get paid for providing solution to their challenges. Okay, I'll show you how you can do that in a minute. Okay, so once you click on I'm a problem solver right here, that's after signing up. Okay, I'm actually going to show you how to sign up. Make sure you don't skip this video and rush to sign up, because you're going to just miss everything. Okay, so make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end. The ending part is what is going to make you this money. Okay, you don't want to just sign up and miss every step. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this very simple. Okay, so right here, these are some of the challenges you can see from business owners or companies that needs ideas on how they can fix. Okay, you can see right here what new innovation can be brought to the skincare and twins brands. Okay, that's actually a question that needs a lot of answers. So right here you can see it's showing you how much you're going to make if you provide the solution to this problem or the solution to this. Okay, you can see right here how much you're going to be making. This is $1,600, and in 20 days time it's going to be off. Okay, like it's going to be off, it will not be available again in 20 days time. Okay, so you scroll down again, you're going to see this is another one right here that is going to pay you up to $1,600 as well, and it's a different challenge. Okay, so right here they say help us create a seamless new customer experience as an insurance company. Okay, so what you're just going to do about this is to write a very short article that is well detailed. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, you're not going to be the one to be writing this article. It's very simple. I'm going to show you how you can do this in less than a minute. Okay, and how you can submit it and also get approved. Okay, so just calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, so right here it is just three of the stuffs are available right now. Okay, some other times there used to be more than this. Okay, So for now, I'm just going to select any of them so I can show you how you can just scale through this and make money for yourself. Okay, so right here there are lots of categories you can actually select. If you have experience on business, computer science, food science, math science, humanities and arts, okay, even if you have zero experience on any of these, I'm going to show you how you can get a perfect content that is going to make you apply for this and you can be able to win as well. Okay, so right here you can see for this one is done already, and what they paid for this particular one is $1,600. For this they were able to pay $800 and it's done already about 5 months ago. And right here you can see another one, $800 13 months ago. Right here you can see $4,590. Okay, so they must have paid a lot of people on this particular one. Okay, and this is like 16 months ago. Okay, so right here you can see up to $10,000 and it's about 18 months ago. So what was this about? You see, what is your creative solution for clean, sustainable and accessible energy? Just this. So by providing answer to this, you can stand the chance to win up to $10,000 on this platform. Okay, this platform is actually legit. Okay, so just make sure you follow me through and I'm going to show you what you're going to do. Okay, so guys, I will just take this first one as an example. Okay, so I will just use this as an example so you can get to understand how this is how this website works. Okay, so I will just, okay, let me click on this. You can actually select anyone. You can come right here and choose any category you want to participate in. You can see humanities, maths and science, you can see food science, you can see computer science, you can see engineering. Okay, so you can just select anyone you want and then just pick any job. Okay, so right here I'm just going to click on this. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to open and you're going to just see the instructions you have to follow. So right here I've clicked on it. Okay, so once I click on it, this is exactly how it's gonna open. Okay, so right here you can see they are telling you like about 5 people have submitted on this same job already. Okay, so it's like 5 people have provided solutions to this, so they will have to take time to review them and they will pick the ones they like. Okay, so let me restart this page, it's not showing clearly. Okay, right here you can see what the topic is and the challenge they want solution for. Okay, so what you want to do is you just read through it. You can see help us create a seamless new customer experience as an insurance company. Okay, so this is the topic you're going to be writing about. Trust me, you're not going to be writing a single word. I'm going to show you how to provide a perfect answer for this. Okay, so make sure you just follow me through this video. Okay, so right here you can see, as a leading auto and property insurance company, one of our top priorities is providing a seamless and pleasant experience for new customers to get set up their new policy. We know there is always room for improvement that a complex product like insurance. As such, we want to ensure that we meet our customers' needs and we continue to update and streamline our customers' experience. With this challenge, we would like to hear from your perspective how we can provide the best experience for navigating a new insurance policy. This can range from a variety of ideas such as overhauls and current platforms to smaller incremental improvement. Okay, so right here you can see that all they need is your idea about how they can provide a better customer service experience. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is just make sure you copy this headline. Okay, so once you copy this headline, you're just going to open a new tab on your browser or you use a new browser. Okay, make sure you follow this step. Okay, don't skip it, make sure you follow this step. I'm going to show you how to complete it. Okay, make sure you follow this step. Okay, right here I'm just seeing this. Okay, this particular one is not available in my location. I'm actually from Nigeria. Okay, so this is not available in my location, so I'm just going to choose a new job right now. Sorry about that, I'm just seeing it. Okay guys, I actually checked the remaining jobs. It's not available in Nigeria, and this one right here, I've actually solved it before. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I did this so you can follow the steps I used and do yours as well. Okay, so once you just click on it, it's going to open, and what you want to do is just copy the headline. So once you copy the headline, you go on Google or your browser. Okay, make sure you read through the instructions so you won't make mistakes. Okay, so once you read through the instruction, you can see right here I've submitted the solution already, but I'm just going to show you how you can do yours as well. Okay, so you go to a new browser, open a new browser. You can open a new browser or a new tab on your browser, or whatever. Anyone you do is actually cool. Okay, so you just copy and paste that headline you copied already. So once you just long press the browser tab, you just click on paste. That headline is going to show up here. You click on search. Okay, so Google is going to show you a lot of answers to this same question you asked. Okay, you're going to see a lot of answers here. Okay, so you can just click on anyone, but make sure it's related to the headline you provided. Okay, so it won't look like you were asked something else and you're providing answer for something else. Okay, so make sure the content you're going to be providing is unique. Okay, this is actually for those who want it easier. Okay, if you want it very easier, you don't want to write any content, this is the best way for you to do it. Okay, so once you just paste this on your search bar, you're going to just check, and then check ideas from different posts right here. So let's go with okay, I think let's just go with this. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. Okay, if you want to do yours, you have to take your time and then read through the contents you got. Okay, so let's say this one is cool for us. Okay, I'm not reading through it because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show you the process. Okay, so once you just check and you see it's related to the question you're asked to provide a solution for, what you want to do is you're just going to copy the content right here. You can copy it. If you have a paraphraser app on your phone, you can just go and paraphrase it. And if you don't have, you can go to quillbox.com. You can see it right here, quillbox.com. So once you just go on Quillbox, you can see it's a paraphrasing app. Once you click on it, you can just copy any of those contents. Once you paste it right here and you click on paraphrase, is going to just change the content. It's going to make it unique and it will be very different from the previous one you copied. Okay, so once you just do that, you click on paraphrase, you're going to see that everything is going to just change. Okay, so once you just do that, once you do that, you're going to just go on your dashboard of the website and paste it. Okay, so once you paste it, you can actually go back and copy the rest of the content. Okay, so let's see right here, it's still paraphrasing. Okay guys, you can see right here is what I actually pasted, and right here is what Quillbot gave to us. Okay, so you can see they're actually the same thing, just few words are changed here. Okay, so this is going to make your content very unique. Okay, it won't give them a sense of you copying it or making them know that you copied it or something. Okay, so once you just do this, you can actually go back to the website and paste it, or you can use your Word document app. Okay, you can download Word document app. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like on my phone. Okay, so right here you can see this is the Word document app. Let me just search for it so you can see it. Make sure you follow these steps, okay, so you won't miss out. Okay, so this is what the Word document app looks like. Okay, so once you just download this, you just open it and then you can save the content you've already paraphrased. You can just save it here so that once you complete it, you can either convert it to a PDF or a document file and then go back to the website and submit it. Okay, because on that website they won't allow you to paste content. Okay, they won't allow you to paste content. So this is what I actually did. So after copying from the website on Google, once I complete the content, okay, make sure you read through what you copied, okay, so you won't provide a wrong answer or a wrong solution. Okay, so I'm just doing this so that this video will not be too long. Okay, so make sure you follow these steps. Okay, so let's say we are done with the content you want to provide, and right here is what you're just going to do. So let's say this is the content. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on this three dots right here. You can just save this as a PDF or a document. Okay, you can save it as a PDF or a document. Okay, so once you just do that, you're just going to upload it back to that website. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay guys, right here you can see what it looks like. Okay, if you're printing it as a PDF file, you're just going to click on this icon right here. You can see this icon right here. You're just going to click on it and it will be converted to PDF file immediately. Okay, so make sure you get the content correctly, make sure you read through it and then provide the necessary solution to that problem you want to solve. Okay, so right now you're going to go back to the website. Okay, you're going to go back to the website. The reason why you need to convert that to a document or PDF is because they don't allow copy and paste on this website. You can't copy content from somewhere else and paste it here. They won't allow it. Okay, so you have to. Okay, so once you go back to the website and you click on the job icon, this is what you're going to just see. Okay, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is my name right here. You can see this is my name right here, and I've been able to complete this job already. Okay, I've submitted the PDF file. Okay, this is I've submitted the file already, so I'm not going to be submitting another one. So I'm just going to read this thing right here so you can use the same experience to perform the same task as well. So you can see right here, I have taken my time to write down the surest solution to the current challenges your business is facing and the complete details available in the PDF file attached here. Okay, you can see right here, this is the best ideas you need to grow your business right now. Kindly check it out. Okay, so if you you must have finished converting the content to a PDF. Okay, so you can just write a short note to indicate that you're actually submitting a PDF file. Okay, because if you copy those content and you want to paste it right here, it's not going to work. Okay, they don't allow copy and paste right here. You can see they don't allow copy and paste. You can see to reduce plagiarism submission, first time MindSumo users are not able to paste content in their submissions. You can see it right here, it's clearly written. Okay, so they don't allow copy and paste here. So once you convert it to PDF, what you want to do is you just click on this icon right here showing choose file. Okay, so once you click on this choose file, your files are just going to open, and if you just converted the content to a PDF, it's just going to show at the top of your files right here. Okay, so it's just going to show at the top of your file. So once you just do that, you just select it. I'm not going to be uploading anything. Okay, I'm just doing this so you can follow the same step. Okay, so once you just click on it, it's just going to upload automatically. Okay, and once it's upload, you click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit, it's going to be submitted and it will be there for review. Okay, so after reviewing it and the days they gave for the job to be completes, they are just going you're going to get a mail. Okay, they're going to send you a mail to know if you're able to provide the right solution or not. Okay, so guys, if you're liking this video, if you're finding value in this video, I'll say you should hit on that like button right now. Hit that like button and also go to the comment section below and comment, I want to make money online. Okay, so guys, you can see this is actually very easy to do. It's something you can do within 20 minutes. Okay, within 20 minutes you can actually complete every of these steps. Okay, so alright guys, I'm going to be ending this video right here and I'll see you in my next video. Okay.